Engines roar. Steel jaws spin madly. No mercy, no escape. Colossal logs are devoured, shredded to dust in seconds. You're not just watching, you're witnessing a monster at work. Welcome to the world of Wood Channel. The wood chipper, with its compact and sturdy design, stands firmly amid the pristine white snow. The machine works powerfully, shredding each log and ejecting fine wood chips right beside it, forming a fluffy pile of debris lightly dusted over the snow. The blend of the machine's sleek, modern form and the cold natural surroundings creates an image both efficient and harmonious. Petzolato PTH 40.70M, a self-propelled wood chipper that redefines efficiency and mobility. With its compact yet powerful design, this red machine moves directly to the worksite. No need for transport trailers. The hydraulic grapple arm lifts and feeds logs into the powerful chipping unit with smooth, precise motion. Inside, high-speed rotating blades shred the timber into fine wood chips, which are then ejected in a steady stream. Every stage, from grabbing to chipping and discharging, is fully automated, maximizing performance while minimizing manual labor. Agile, powerful, and efficient, the Petzolato PTH 40.70M stands at the forefront of modern forestry technology. A powerful wood-cutting machine in action. Its razor-sharp circular blade spins rapidly, slicing through solid logs with ease. Speed, precision, and brute force combine to deliver unmatched performance. This is the cutting edge of modern timber processing technology. Mounted on a powerful Volvo truck chassis, the ChipMax 484VR appears like a mobile wood processing station, ready to take on any challenge. With a compact design yet outstanding capacity, this machine can be transported to any logging site, from the forest edge to central wood yards. A dedicated loader gently lifts each log and places it into the feed chute. The moment contact is made, ChipMax's hydraulic feed system kicks in, pulling the timber deep inside. Reinforced steel blades spin at high speed, shredding the wood into uniform chips with remarkable precision. Whether it's branches, logging residue, or full logs, everything is processed cleanly and efficiently. The resulting wood chips are directly discharged into a storage truck or designated pile, optimizing transport efficiency and minimizing labor needs. The ChipMax 484VR is more than just a chipper. It's a flexible mobile solution, bringing wood processing technology directly to the source, saving both time and operating costs for the modern forestry industry. Amidst a clearing in the forest or a bustling timber yard, a bright red wood chipper stands prominently, massive, sturdy, and brimming with raw industrial energy. The deep growl of its diesel engine reverberates through the air, setting the stage for an impressive mechanical performance. Its wide intake chute gapes open like a ravenous mouth, ready to consume an unending stream of branches, limbs, and scattered logs. Beside it, a specialized hydraulic log loader moves with deliberate grace, like the practiced hand of a seasoned operator. The steel arm arcs and pivots with precision, swooping down to grasp tangled piles of tree waste, twisted branches, knotted roots, thick wooden stems, and raises them into position. With expert aim, it aligns the load with the chipper chute and releases it gently into the machine's grip. Immediately, feed rollers clamp down on the material, drawing it into the heart of the machine. Inside, a high-speed drum line with razor-sharp steel blades begins its furious work. The sound of grinding and chipping fills the air, piercing, metallic, relentless. In seconds, the wood is reduced to thousands of fine, consistent chips, expelled in a torrent from the discharge chute. This steady cascade of shredded material arcs through the air in a perfect trajectory, landing cleanly into the open bed of a waiting transport truck. Within minutes, the truck fills with tons of wood chips, destined for composting, fuel pellet production, or industrial boiler systems. Every part of the process moves with synchronized precision. The loader feeds, the chipper processes, the truck collects, no pause, no downtime. This is not merely automation, but a demonstration of modern wood processing mastery, an orchestration of power, engineering intelligence, and operational efficiency at its finest. In a village area of Albstadt, the bright red Fendt 1042 Vario tractor, paired with the Eschelbach Biber 92 MHA chipper, is hard at work processing a large pile of logs stacked right next to residential houses. It appears to be leftover trees from a recent cleanup or storm damage, now ready to be cleared. The red machine operates with strength yet precision, careful not to disturb the surrounding homes. One by one, the large logs are fed into the chipper's intake, where fast-spinning blades shred them into uniform wood chips. The air carries the fresh scent of wood mixed with a hint of machine oil, and the noise level remains steady and controlled, evidence of professional-grade equipment suited even for work near residential zones. The Vermeer WC2300XL roars to life as massive Australian gum tree logs feed onto its conveyor. The dense, smooth trunks are pulled into the drum, where razor-sharp blades tear through the tough eucalyptus wood. A thick stream of wood chips burst from the chute, piling up rapidly. A striking display of power and performance in the dry Australian landscape. The CBI 6800 CT horizontal grinder, a powerful industrial grinder, is operating deep within the forest as part of a biomass production line. Massive steel arms reach out like mechanical limbs, grabbing logs from the forest floor, stacking them into piles, and feeding them one by one into the grinder. As the logs enter, the machine's robust grinding system rapidly breaks them down into fine wood chips. These wood chips are then transferred directly into a large nearby truck, ready to be transported for further processing into biomass products such as wood pellets or renewable fuel. The Genshem 700D wood chipper stands out with its powerful design, specially built to handle large tree trunks. The grapple operates continuously, its robust steel claws opening and closing rhythmically to steadily feed large logs into the machine's body. Inside, the rotating shaft is equipped with sharp, pointed spikes that firmly grip the tree trunks and pull them deep into the machine. The rasping sound of wood being shredded blends with the powerful engine noise, creating a vibrant and intense industrial symphony. After large tree trunks are shredded inside the Genshem 700D, fine wood chips are forcefully expelled from the discharge chute at the rear of the machine. Clouds of pale wood fragments cascade down like a shower, scattering and piling up into a towering mound of wood chips beside the machine. This scene not only demonstrates the machine's destructive power, but also stands as proof of its efficient processing, transforming bulky logs into compact, easy-to-handle raw materials for transport and recycling. Deep within a vast forest, where the roar of engines never ceases, a powerful assembly of modern machinery works in perfect harmony. The log loader, with its massive steel arm, gently lifts each large, branch-covered tree trunk, as if picking up matchsticks from a fallen forest. The wood chipper growls like a hungry beast. Its hydraulic feed rollers grip the log, pulling it in as the blades spin at high speed, tearing each fiber of wood to shreds. In the blink of an eye, massive logs are neatly processed, shooting out behind the machine in smooth streams of uniform wood chips. And so it continues, the loader feeding tree after tree, in a relentless, powerful, and efficient cycle. Beneath the swirling wood dust and blazing sunlight, man and machine work together as a unified force, bringing timber from the forest into industry, wasting not a single piece. The bright red Moorbark M20 are what chipper roars to life at the logging yard, standing out like a steel predator amidst the natural surroundings. Its bold red paint gleams under the light, symbolizing strength and durability. Massive round logs are fed into its infeed chute, instantly grabbed and pulled inward. The grinding drum spins up with a deep growl, tearing each log apart with ruthless efficiency. Pale wood chips blast from the discharge chute in a high-pressure stream, flying through the air and raining down into towering piles. Every motion of the machine pulses with power, relentless, precise, and unwavering. The Gens HEM 820 wood chipper operates with impressive precision and raw power. It doesn't thrash wildly. Instead, every movement is deliberate, forceful, and efficient, like a dedicated worker focused on its task. Massive logs are firmly gripped by the hydraulic arm and guided straight into the chipper's feed system. Inside, high-speed blades shred the timber into fine chips, blasting them into the truck's container with relentless rhythm. Every detail of the machine exudes seriousness and dependability, as if it was purpose-built for this demanding job.